Bloom is one of the easiest ways to make bright objects feel more vivid, cinematic, and alive. So let me show you how to create it. First, render your image and open the compositing workspace. If you're using Blender below version 5, enable Use Nodes. Otherwise, just click New. Now create a simple setup like this using a bloom node. This setup will apply bloom to the entire image, and later I'll show you how to make it affect only your emission materials. Let's quickly go through the most important settings. Threshold is one of the most important ones. Lower it to include more of the brightness range in the bloom. If the threshold is too high, only the very brightest pixels will glow. Size controls how far the glow spreads around bright areas. Strength controls how intense the glow is. And here's an important trick. The slider stops at 1, but you can click the value and type a higher number manually, like 2, 3, or even 10. And the other controls let you fine-tune the strength and overall look of the effect. Just play with them until the bloom fits your image. And that's it. Your basic bloom effect is ready. You may notice that the bloom is currently affecting the entire image. But what if you want bloom only on your emission materials? Go to View Layer Properties, Passes, Light, and enable Emission. As soon as you enable it, the Render Layers node gets a separate emission output. Now render the image again so Blender actually generates that emission pass. Then rebuild the node setup using a Mix Color node and change its blending mode to Add. Now the glow is generated only from emission materials. So bright reflections, white surfaces, and other highlights can stay completely clean. And that's it, a simple setup, but the final result looks really good. Using the same method, apply bloom to an entire individual object. Just enable emission for its material. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, check out Hypershot. It's a Blender add-on I'm developing that lets you save different scene states as shots, switch between them instantly, and batch render them without constantly rebuilding everything by hand. You'll find the link in the description. Good luck!